Welcome back, everyone. In the previous chapter, we discussed some of the basic database operation which can be used in Excel to retrieve useful information from a large size worksheet. To perform the database operation, it is necessary to show the information in a tabular form, that is, in the form of row and column. Excel, being a spreadsheet application, provide pre-designed worksheet which can be used for storing information in the form of database. But still it is not considered as a complete database solution because of its limited size and flat in nature. The entire related information in a single table. Microsoft Office offers a complete database solution system named SS, Microsoft SS, which provides all the facilities to deal with the database information. So let's start the introduction of MS Access. Before introduction, let me tell you the topic which are included in this chapter. Firstly, we will start with the introduction. Then we will start the component of database. What is Microsoft SS 2010? SS database objects. Starting Microsoft SS 2010. Creating a database, SS database window, creating table using datasheet view, modifying table, creating table using design view, adding primary key field. So let's start with the introduction of MS Access 2010. So what is database? Database is an organized and structured set of related data. Data being one of the most crucial factor for the functioning of any organization or institution required to be managed such that we can quickly retrieve and use the required information as or when needed, not just for the business but also in our day-to-day life. We maintain databases like contact detail in our address book where we store the names, address, phone number, email address, etc. of our relative and friends. School maintain the detail of their students and teachers. Bank record the details of their customer and the transaction performed by them. Likewise, there are many more examples in our day-to-day life. But storing and using the information manually is very difficult task as the size of the information of a database keep changing. A computerized database is the best solution for storing and maintaining databases. A software which helps to maintain and manage the database is called Database Management System or DBMS. Some of the popular DBMS applications are MS Access 2003, 2007 and 2000. Now let me tell you why maintaining data is important nowadays. Nowadays, people's address, contact numbers are frequently changing. So we cannot maintain their data again and again. For better understanding, we used to take help from the application called Database Management Software, which help us to maintain the data properly. Under DBMS, there are many kind of software which help us to keep our data in an organized manner and help us to retrieve it when we need it. Let's move and learn the components of database. The main components of a database are table, fields and record. Now what are fields? The information is stored in a column. You can see here the information stored in a column is called field. Next is table. What is table? A collection of related information stored in the form of rows and column is called table. Whatever the information we are maintaining in a field and record or in a row or column is called table. What is record? Record, the information stored in a row is called record. You can see here, if we are maintaining the record in a column, it is called field, and when we are maintaining the record in a row, it is called record. When we are maintaining any data in a row, it is called record. Now next is quick access toolbar. It is, you people are very familiar with this word. Quick access toolbar is a toolbar here which help us to provide those tools which we are using frequently again and again in a document. All those tools are available under this drop down button. Next is ribbon. You can see here ribbon, this all small icons. You can see the combination sort and filter, records, find. So all these are the combination of tab, and the combination of different tabs which includes small tools is called field. Okay, ये सब छोटे छोटे टूल्स को मिला के एक टैब बनता है, एक ग्रुप बनता है टूल्स का, और उन टूल्स के ग्रुप को हम बोलते हैं रिबन. Now what is table? A table is organized the data in the form of records and field. Now the biggest term in this chapter is a database. A database is a collection of related information stored logically in the form of various tables. So basically database means the information or the data which we are maintaining in any form of Microsoft, right? The information which we are maintaining in the form of Microsoft, whether we are either we are maintaining it in a Excel or in Access or in Word, that is known as database, right? Now this 2010. Microsoft Access 2010 or Microsoft Access 2007 or 2013 is a database component of Microsoft family. It is a relational database management system, that is RDBMS, that allows us to store the information in one or more table such that these tables can be related with each other on a common field among them. So instead of creating single large table and storing whole information in the same table, we can break the information in a logical manner to store it in a different tables. It helps to avoid the duplicate information and makes it easily available whenever needed. There is a little, not little, it is a big difference between MS Excel and MS Access. MS Excel में हम प्रॉपरली एक डेटा को मेंटेन करके रख सकते हैं, सिर्फ हम उसमें डेटा मेंटेन करके रख सकते हैं, वेयर एज हम MS Access में सेम डेटा को लॉजिकली एक प्रॉपरली मेथड में मेंटेन करके उसको हम अलग अलग फॉर्म्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, अलग अलग चीज़ों में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक वी कैन कन्वर्ट दैट डेटा इनटू that data into a table, that data in a query, that data in a form, and that data in a report. राइट. सो हम एक पर्टिकुलर डेटा को लॉजिकली मेंटेन करके उसके अलग अलग वेज में हम उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड लर्न द Access database objects. MS Access 2010 manage all the correlated information from a single database file. The database file in Access 2010 is stored with .ACCDB. This is the extension .ACCDB extension. Whatever the file you are preparing, when you will add this extension into your file, that will automatically convert into MS Access, right? Or if there are numbers of data, numbers of file in your computer, how you will figure it out which file is what? Okay, with the help of extension you can find out that this document contain Word, this document contain Excel file, this document contain PowerPoint file. Likewise, with the help of extension you can find out the particular file format, right? Now the various objects of MS Access database are table, queries, forms, and reports. Tables. Table is a collection of related information, raw data in a database is stored in the form of logically related tables. A database can consist of one or more correlated tables to store the complete information. Table used to contain the information of whole class or whole group or whole institute or whatever we are maintaining a particular data in that sheet. Now query represent the information from the tables to satisfy a certain condition. Query is also a form of MS Access where it apply the criteria, where it apply the condition to figure out the particular kind of information from whole table. Now next is form. Form is a convenient interface used to add, modify, or search the information in the database, tables, and queries. Form is also a part of table where it is used to add and modify to search the particular kind of information from the whole table. Okay, form help us to find out a particular kind of information. Suppose you have maintained the marks of 5 subject of your class and of 5 students. Now you want to figure out those students' name, those who secured less than 50. So with the help of form, you can apply your condition in that worksheet and find out the names of those students who literally got less than 50 marks in their exam. So, with the help of this condition, this format, we can find out. Next is report. Report are the systematic representation of information stored in tables or queries. These are used to present the data in a specific manner or better analyze. Report is a systematic representation of your data that you have stored in a worksheet, in a table, and it will help you to figure out the more than a forms, more than a report, and more than a queries information. These are used to present the data in a specific manner or a better analyze. Suppose you want to analyze the marks, you want to compare the marks, it report will help you to find out the marks comparison between numbers of the student present in your class.